Oh, there he is. Boy, he's a fighter there. Get up in here. Oh, yeah. Alright guys, now that's what we've been looking for right there. Hey guys, this is Wes with Arkansas Extreme Outdoors, and this is today's adventure. Hey, we are at Bald Knob Lake. Never been here before, but I hear it's full of red ear, and we just got us one. And hey, we're gonna stick around out here and see if we can't catch us a handful. Man, these things are pretty. I love catching them. Man, you gotta stick around. Let that old cricket sink to the bottom. Uh-oh, I got one. Getting a bite, getting a bite, getting a bite. There he is. There he is. I had him, and I missed him. Guys, I was thinking this morning that guy sure was generous with the crickets, but he knew something I didn't know. That you got to have 1 million of them out here to catch 5 fish big enough to eat. There he is. There he is. Pretty fish, but still not what I'm looking for. Alright, he's getting on it. There he is. There he is. There he is. There's one. There's one. Oh, and it's a red ear too. Man, these red ear are at least a little bit thicker. We get a little meat on them. There he is. He took that one. He took that one under. I like it when they do that. Pretty fish. There he is. There he is. I eventually catch one big enough to keep. Pretty. Guys, I want to show y'all something. If that ain't the smallest little old jig you ever seen, this is a jughead jig that Mike King made me. And I'm gonna get up in here and see if I can't get these little old brim to hit this thing. Let's see if we can get in here and get them to hit this little. I'm gonna leave a cork on there so I got a little throwing fire. There he is. There he is, guys. There he is. Look at here. Jughead jigs. Let's try it again. There he is right there. There he is. There he is. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. There he, oh God, I missed him. There he is right there. There he is. Oh yes. Mm-hmm. There he is. Boy, he hit that hard. He nailed that. Golly. There he is right there. There he is. They can't stand that little old jig running past them. Oh my goodness. They can't stand it. So guys, all I'm doing is I'm casting right up next to this stuff. I probably got about 2 foot from my cork down to my line. Uh-oh, I might throw it up my bush there. The wind is making it a little more difficult for me than I wanted to be, but throw it up in there, and there he is right there. There he is. There he is right there. Look at there, that's a pretty fish there. Man, they're getting a little bigger, just not quite big enough to keep. I know they tearing this little old jig up. They're hitting this jig better than they were hitting crickets. And I'm telling you, when you find a brim hit better than they hit crickets, you got something then. Because they love a cricket. There he is, right there. There he is, right there. He couldn't stand it. That little white-headed jig tears him up. Y'all don't know how bad I wished I'd have brought that can of WD-40 with me. There he is right there. Got him. Oh, he ain't very big. This thing catch little ones and big ones, won't it? Little ones and big ones, won't it? Oh, he hit it. He bumped it. It's in that little hole right there. Let's see if I can get it back in there. There he is. There he is. Oh, golly, I had him in there. if I'll get him again or not. He had it pretty good. Hey guys, it's Wes from Arkansas Extreme Outdoors. You know, I can remember the day that I was ordained to be a deacon. You know, the first 2 times they actually come to me and ask, would I consider it? I told them no, because I didn't feel worthy of it. And they said, well, that's the exact attitude we want. And I said, I know, but I don't feel worthy of having some kind of position of authority in God's kingdom that way. You know, I'm scared of that title. Well, the 3rd time that they asked, I prayed about it. You know, of course, the church has to vote on it, and they voted me in. And I become to realize really quick that when I become a deacon, guys, I become a slave to a bunch of little old ladies. And I don't mean that in a negative form at all. It's just that I become an absolute servant to widows. And I begin to understand that that's what the kingdom of heaven is really about, is being a servant. Is being a servant to God, and to see His will be done on this earth, and to put to practice the things that I've learned from the Scripture. This morning in my daily reading, I was reading in Matthew chapter 20, where the 2 disciples come, and their mother Salome asked Jesus, hey, when you come into your kingdom, can my son sit on the left and on the right of you? Like that was something that could be bargained for. Guys, it's not. And if the only reason you want a title is because of fame or to have some type of authority attached to you, you're wanting it for the wrong reason. You know, I mean, those who are the greatest in the kingdom of heaven are those who are truly serving here, whether you're serving widows, whether you're serving your kids, whether you're serving your wife, but you're looking and seeing the will of God, and you're putting it into practice, making sure that it gets taken care of here on earth. You know, and I think even about the Lord's Prayer, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Guys, that's from the heart, and I hope that this helps you. This video is brought to you by Triton Electric. They're there to power you. Lunsford Realtors. Listen, if you're selling a home, Aaron Brown's the one you need to talk to. And the Family Church. One church with 3 locations.